Alright, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something from South Korea. This is Paldo Foods Namja Ramyun. Hanguk Ramyun Maseseo. That means Korean ramen is very good. And yeah, this is Namja ramen. It's men's ramen. Sorry, ladies. What's the deal? I'm really surprised that they would come out with a product just called men's ramen. This isn't like that ancient of a product, the noodle block. It just kind of surprises me, you know? It's like, don't they get ticked over there? I guess it's because of all the garlic. It's supposed to be very garlicky and, ow! Burning my fingers. So it's garlicky, and so maybe it's for men because women don't want their breath to get all stank. I don't know, but... Is it a cultural faux pas to eat the men's ramen? I don't know. If you're a lady, that is. And it's spicy too, but I'm sure, I wonder, it could have been a marketing idea. Hey, let's call it men's ramen and watch all the women eat it. Because not enough women are eating our ramen. That could be it. Some backlash. Who knows? We don't need this knife for this one. No, sir. We ain't cutting no eggs for this one. No. No. God, what is that line? It's from Star Trek 3? Price I name, money you name, otherwise bargain no. I can't remember. Sorry, nerding out for a moment. It's something I do. Anyway, number 29. This is a quote out of the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. Quotations from the man who invented the instant noodle. 29. Getting a good head start ensures success. A day late and $1 short is no recipe for victory. That's what I'm kind of trying to do today, doing all these 2 reviews early. I should be able to get everything done by 10. And then... yeah. I will be done with everything. Which is groovy. I like that. I don't think my feet are happy about the summer coming. Because they're going to get a workout, let me tell you. Yeah. What's funny too is this episode won't come out until mid-September. And it's mid-June. What is it, June 16th? I think this episode will probably come out on September 14th or 15th. Right, yeah, 15th. 16th. Oh, wow. So 3 months from now. I'm like a full 3 months ahead. Kids will be back in school. Wow. Hello, future. How are you doing? Well, I hope. Did the COVID come back? I keep talking about the Delta variant. Hopefully that's not a thing that we need to expect will cause mass horrible. We've had enough mass horrible already. I'm good with the horrible. Yeah. 9:11 a.m. Usually I don't start cooking until like 2 or 3 hours from now, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah. So what's coming up next? I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. I don't know. I know I have to walk to the store this afternoon, though. We're almost out of bananas, and that can't happen at my house. We go through a lot of bananas. A lot. Oh, and you guys, in your time frame, Dune's almost out. The new Dune movie. Holy crap. Wow. I just bought Dune so my wife could see it. She never watched it all the way through. We didn't get all the way through. We gotta I'm gonna make it see we have to start it over. She's like, what? I remember I wasn't sleeping or nothing. You're like, no. We gotta start it from the beginning. Dune. Desert planet. Moving. It is by will alone I set my mind in motion. It is by the juice of Safu that thoughts acquire speed, lips acquire stains, stains become a warning. It is by will alone I set my mind in motion. That movie, there's so many versions of it. Uh-oh, are we getting in trouble out there again? No? Yes? No? Maybe? No? Okay. No is a good answer to getting in trouble. Wow, look at this. So there's yeah, look at this. Slices of garlic right there. I like that. Sometimes a ham sandwich is fleeting. Get unstuck. Stop complaining. She sits on one side of the couch, and then Miles wants to sit on the other side of the couch. And then all of a sudden, somebody's sitting on somebody else, and they could just move, but they don't. Silly business. 4 years old and 5 years old. Really hot. Nice chewy noodle. The broth. Nice heat to it. Yeah, got it going on. So what I'm gonna add to it, well, honestly, not because it's bad or anything, but because it's so big and I really like it and I want to do it again and make it the correct size, we're gonna add some chashu. There. And I'm going to add some holy onions. God, I love that thing. I'm sorry, you guys didn't get to see it that time. How you doing, Miles?
Hi, Papa. I'm good.
Good.
Hi, you too.
Excellent. My children are footloose, fancy-free, and having a day off, as it's Wednesday.
It's Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday's the no school day. Pretty much every day will be the no school day pretty quick. No school day every day.
School day every day.
You guys like school though, so I'm kind of bummed for you.
I don't like it.
Oh, now that's no bueno right there. You see that? The egg bust open. That's not cool. And we'll add a little bit of pepper flake. That's a lot bit. Man, that right there, that kills me. But it'll work. So let's let Rotato do its magical bit. Okay. Here we go. Well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, this is a good one. If you can find it, get it. It's called Namja Ramen from Paldo, South Korea. Right there. Yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Don't forget to go and subscribe to this on YouTube. Join the group on Facebook. Go on Facebook, type in Ramen Junkies, and you'll find our group. As of right now, there's over 65,000 people in there. Everybody's talking about noodles. So if you take pictures of your noodles, I've even got a guide on how to take nice pictures of noodles. So it's me, you, do it to it, rock the party, have a good one. Bye-bye.